our repeat offender. Bought another project in lovely downtown Bendigo. Why have you come back to us? What is it? I mean, obviously you could have probably partnered with friends and family and whatnot, but how come you sort of come back to do another project with us?
Simple, easy to get along with, and you answer phone calls. You usually get back to me, and very easy to get along with. And you go out of your way to approach me.
Oh yeah, well we did that, that's for sure. Come out to Bendigo.
Yes.
Tell us about this place that you bought.
I was in Gold Coast visiting my friend at Christmas, up on a holiday, searching the internet. I was looking at property up there and also in Bendigo, and come across this property.
And what makes you think you'll get the price that you're asking for, which is the 400 to 450 mark?
Because Bendigo's going ahead, and around this area is getting popular. A very nice restaurant next door, bar, and just the location here is good.
And which location are we in Bendigo?
Golden Square.
Golden Square, okay. So you bought this place originally, and how many bedrooms was it?
4 bedroom.
And you're going to keep it as a 4-bedder?
Adding a second lounge room.
Yep.
And adding a ensuite and a walk-in robe.
Yep.
And a new entertainment area.
So we're basically coming in at, I would say, the 2-month mark to come and basically help you finish it off.
Yes.
And at which point you'll probably put it on the market, so probably another 90 days of work and then another 90 days of sale.
Yeah.
Really our business model is based on, partnering with people like yourself that are, buying properties to do them up and flip them. And obviously, we're looking for more guys like yourself who are repeat offenders, that are constantly looking for the opportunities. They know the markets. Usually we sort of offer a lot more value to our clients. So we offer sort of trades, and we offer strategy, and you don't need any of that. I mean, you're very much an owner. You're an owner builder. You've got the strategy. You know how to buy. You know how to sell. You know how to pretty much do the whole box and dice. So is it really just like a funding partner that you would see us as?
Yes. I only need help with the funds, as I like to flip them as quick, and I'd like to do 3 or 4 a year.
Okay, cool.
So the more you can push on and get a project done quicker, you can keep calling you guys.
Yeah, well, keep getting them right like this, and we'll keep doing them for you.
Yeah.
All right, Andy, thanks, man. We'll talk to you soon.
Yep, thank you.